Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today it's going to be a real quick video. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug on the X22R Max here. I used one big long socket. I'll show you how to do it. It's not that difficult. So I'm going to grab my socket, get my camera in place, and let's get to it. Alrighty, so you're going to see right there, that's your spark plug wire. So if I reach down in there with my hand, I can literally just pop it right off. And our spark plug is directly underneath it there. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an 18 mil socket. Putting a knuckle on it works, so you want to maybe do that. It's the easiest way to get down to the spark plug, like that, and then we can loosen it. There we go. And then we take the ratchet off it, and we should be able to turn it out by our hand. Now, once you get to a certain point, you can actually reach up in there with your hand and unscrew it. There we go. And now if we look at this spark plug, it's not bad. It's burning fairly clean. It's a little black. That's normal. This bike has maybe 2 miles on it, so it's literally just breaking in. It's nothing, like I said, it's nothing bad. This is actually a good plug, so I'm going to put it back in. But that's how you take it out. Again, if you go up then from the bottom, and just turn it in nice and slow. Okay, now I'm going to just grab my socket again. Put it down over it, and I can turn it in the rest of the way. Oops. Okay, now it's where it's tightened up a bit, so I can go ahead and I can tighten it with my ratchet. And when I tighten it, I just want to tighten it so it's snug. I don't want to tighten it so hard that I'll never get it out again. And I don't want to tighten it so hard that I'm going to strip the thread on it. So that's perfect. Just the way I tightened it right there. Now I'm going to get my coil wire, which is right here. I'm going to put it right up, back up into place. I'm going to push it down until I hear the clicks. There we go. Just like that. Now I'm going to grab my flashlight. Put that over there, and it's going to fire it up, see how it starts. And there we go. Hit it. We'll listen to the fuel pump go for a sec, then we'll fire it up. Let the bike warm up. Spark plug's working perfect. It's good to go. So that's it, guys. That's how you change the spark plug on your X22R Max. Definitely like and subscribe, guys, and I'd love to see you in the comments. let us know if you have videos that you'd like to see, and we'll see what we can do about them.